Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Camaro key fob here. It works for these models 2016, 2024, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side, right here, when you turn the key like this, you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way, you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now, when you remove the mechanical key over here, take it, and now when you hold the fob like this, with the buttons facing down, right on this side, you see this hole. Now, take the mechanical key, and with the tip only, insert the tip right in this hole over here, insert the tip, and now just twist it a little bit, push up, and the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces. Alright, now when you separate it into two pieces like this, right on this side, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here, or you can use the mechanical key also with the tip here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure this side here that faces you is the negative side. So this step here is very important. Alright, and now when you insert the battery, take these two pieces again, make sure to align them perfectly like this. All corners have to match perfectly, everything have to fit together nicely, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.